The training server is really a great asset for people who are going through training. It's also great after training to go back into there. You can go through and do some experimenting, and it's a great place to make a mistake and to try some things. Some of the features of the server is that the training server has the latest production content in it. This content is updated on a regular basis. It's also configured to automatically generate personalized folders for you in both the DAM and the WCM. So it's got a complete replication of the production environment and then a specific customized space for you to do a couple of different things. So we're just going to log in and do just a quick tour of it. So you're going to want to put in your corporate credentials. And when you do, like I said before, it automatically generates customized and personalized folders for you in the WCM and then also in the DAM. So I'm just going to go to the WCM and show you a little bit about this, what this looks like and what you can do. Pretty straightforward. So here is basically everything that's in production from this website piece down. And then so anything that's in here is going to be an exact replica of what is in production, and it's updated on a regular basis. Last word was once a week, perhaps on a Sunday, that would get updated. So anything in here you can go through and take a look at. And if there happens to be a particular page that you'd like to dissect and or to borrow some information from and maybe do some work, you can go through and you can open these pages up. The thing you can't do is edit them. But what you can do is grab a page and copy it and then put it into your personalized training folders. So anyway, so we don't need to demonstrate that at this point, but just everything up here is production. And then down here is the training users node. I'll go ahead and just scroll these back up so you get the full experience. Training users, EN, and ENUS. So we've got the country, locale, and the language. So as you can see, there are a number of people who already are in the training server. So all these are automatically generated nodes with folders within. Two folders are set up within each one of these. So if I click on this is mine, and you can see it's just taken my username, C. Augustine. If I scroll that down, I've got a productions copy folder, and that's where I can go up here and copy anything that's up here and copy that into the productions copy. Everything that's available up in the production side is also going to be available down here. So as you can see, I've already gone through and done that and done some work on some of those pages. And then there's going to be a training node, and this is more specific to how we use this just for this class and for other training exercises. You can go through and you can see here we've got practicums built out, but this is kind of the training node, and that's where a place to go through and work your exercises and do your training piece. So that's pretty straightforward. One of the things that will trip people up is they'll go to the root node and try to do some things, maybe create a page or do some things. And you can see there aren't any templates available here. You can add a container, but you can't build pages other than a container on that root node. So just one thing to call out. And then we're just going to switch real quick over to the DAM. We'll do that by clicking up here in this icon up on the top. And as it refreshes, you can see kind of the same thing. We've got all the production content up here. We have training users, language, locale, and then I've got my folder down here, and I've subsequently added a number of folders within that. But when you log in, you'll just have your resident folder, and you can go through and add assets and build out folders and do whatever you want. But the training environment is really just a great place, like I said before, to go in, try some things, make some mistakes, and it's pretty much risk-free. So we really highly encourage that everyone uses this, not just during training, but after training.